This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, locate and launch the default calendar app that usually is the Google Calendar, but let me double check. Yep. So launch the app. Regardless of what calendar app you use, the procedure is somewhat the same for any of those. Select the date that you would like to set an event on. Then hit the plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, fill out all the event details such as its title, timeframes, reoccurrence, participants, location, color that it will have in the calendar description, or you can also attach some files and set up your notification or reminding preferences so you will be extra sure not to forget about it. Then hit the save button at the top right corner of your display, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.